Good morning, all you world shakers. This is Uncle Dean coming at you from the Boar's Nest in the Bitterroot Wilderness of Idaho. Hey, people, just wanted to show you this. I've got a new gauge. It shows amp hours or watts and all that good stuff. And I just wanted to show you guys what my charging system will do. I finally figured out how to loop it 100% to where I have no more problems with it rebuilding its charge. Let's go right to it. Right up here, there's the trailer at 20. Let's go ahead and start it up and see if we can boost that up. All right, now that's the MPPT up to the right, and it's got 0.5 continuity coming in from the panels. 0.5, so that's really nothing. The other numbers really don't make a lot of difference. It's at the amperage, the continuity. Anyway, we're 22.5. Let's go over here and see how the batteries are doing. That digital tester is the true reading hooked up to the batteries, positive and negative. And there's that digital tester. It's 0.16 volts, give or take, in the battery, according to that. That's what's draining that in batteries is the machine, of course, the hoverboard motor. Well, it pulls power out of here in order to charge up those others up there. 21.22. There, they run pretty close, not exact, but pretty close. Going up, well, we're up to 23.6 now on the batteries. Now you got to remind you that's 23.6, 23.7 being charged from some batteries that are only 21 volts, 22 volts in them at the most. Once we're done pumping them batteries up in the trailer, then I'll go ahead and turn this down to low and show you how it recharges the batteries that it's running on. We're almost 24 volts now. MPPT is still, it says 20 on the panels, 21, and a 0.5, 0.6 continuity. Alright, we're up to 24 on the batteries. Now we'll go ahead and turn down the RPM. Now it's idling. Yeah, what I did is I committed a couple of more of my transformer coils to my operating batteries here. And it's kind of upped my charge just a little bit. It's charging up a little bit faster than it used to. And it is doing a good job of it. Of restoring the batteries if I let it run long enough. Like I said, it takes a little while, but does the job. I'm becoming real pleased with this machine. Pretty soon I'm going to go ahead and clear away all the wires and do it nice, solder every joint, everything, make it look decent, and that way you people can see exactly what I've done. Clear all the other stuff off of the bench so that it'll be the only thing up there. Anyways, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. I got another couple testers coming so that I can rig it up and show you the voltage as well as the amperage at the same time. But yeah, I got no complaints. It's doing what I need it to do. That's my finicky tester again. Wanting to quit in the middle of the stream. Alright, well, I'm going to let you people go and just let this little baby finish humming on. Get my batteries charged back up for the next session this evening. Anyway, this is Uncle Dean coming at you little world shakers and showing you a little something from the Bitterroot. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. Come on, people, show some interest. Anyways, whether you like it or not, go with God. You'll find out in the end it was the right choice. Damn straight, buckwheats. All right. Later.